Alam niyo ba, bago ang ease of paying taxes law, there are only two classification of taxpayers, large taxpayers and non-large taxpayers. But with the effectivity of EOPT law, taxpayers are now classified under four groups depending on the level of your gross sales for a taxable year. Ano nga ba ang gross sales? RR 8-2024 defines gross sales as total sales revenue, net of VAT and without any other deductions during the taxable year. It only includes business income. Ibig sabihin, it is your income earned from the conduct of trade or business or the exercise of a profession. Hindi kasama sa gross sales ang compensation income under employer-employee relationship. So depending on level of your gross sales, you will be classified as first, micro taxpayers. Ito yung mga may gross sales of less than 3 million. Pangalawa, small taxpayers. Ito yung mga may gross sales of between 3 million and less than 20 million. Pangatlo, medium taxpayers. Ito yung may gross sales of between 20 million and less than 1 billion. At ang pang-apat at panghuli, large taxpayers. Ito yung may mga gross sales na 1 billion and above. Bakit mahalaga na malaman mo ang iyong taxpayer classification? Dahil kapag ikaw ay micro and small taxpayers, mayroon kang special concession. Tulad ng number 1, simplified income tax return which is reduced to 2 pages. Number 2, reduced 10% rate for civil penalties. Number 3, reduced interest to 50% of the interest rates mandated per tax code. At number 4, reduction of certain fines and compromise penalties. Follow us for more tax updates.